Hi there. This video is about multiple local group policies. Not a very extensive subject or subject material, but yet if you know about it, it can be useful in certain scenarios and you can extrapolate on how to use it in other scenarios. Alright, so I'll just jump right into this. Open up Microsoft Management Console and go to File and Add and Remove Snap-in. Now I will come down here to Group Policy Object Editor. Click Add. Just leave it as local computer and click Finish. But then come up here and click Add again. This time Browse. Click on the Users tab and Administrators group. Click OK. OK. And let me expand this. Alright. Now we have two nodes here. One for the local computer policy and another for local computer administrators policy. Now, say there was a... Alright, I'll just set this one up and it will kind of explain itself. If we went in here and opened up Prohibit Access to Control Panel and enabled that, clicked OK. Then we'll collapse these nodes. That is the local computer policy. So now the control panel is off limits. But say we want certain administrators to have access to that. So say in here there were a bunch of administrators and they were in the local administrators group. Right now we only have one in here called local admin. Alright? So we need something in the administrator's policy to allow access to the control panel. And so if I come over here and open up Prohibit Access to Control Panel and disable it, we are disabling the prohibition to access Control Panel, which in effect enables it. Alright? So now also say that we want to show only specified control panel items. We want these local admins to be able to only access certain things. We could click this and enable that, and then go down the show here and you have to enter in canonical names, which can be looked up, but say in this case we want them to only be able to have access to Device Manager. Microsoft.device manager, we'd enter that there, click OK, and then OK. Okay, so up here in this node it disabled access to control panel. Obviously another way that could happen is if it got pushed out from a group policy object here on the domain controller. Alright, so we'll open up the group policy management console and quickly create a new group policy. Call it disable control panel. Alright, then we'll go in and edit this. Then close the editor there and go up to, let's just link it so it will flow down to all the others. Disable control panel. Alright, so either way now, whether it's coming from the local computer policy or coming from a GPO, it's a problem if you want administrators to have access on it, local administrators, but that is the purpose, multiple local group policies. This is in effect immediately, and if I go to open up control panel opens, but only with access to Device Manager. Now I'm going to, let's see, go back over here, open up ADUC and say help desk has users in it, in this case user X right here. Alright, we'll go back over here. I'm going to sign out and sign back in as user X. Alright, so here I am signed in as user X, and not that I need to, but we'll do a GP update /force, and I'll go down here and click on control panel. This operation has been canceled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Yet again, if I sign out and then I log in as the local admin, again, if I go to control panel here, access to device manager or any other, any other items that you want in here. So that sums it up for multiple local group policies. Until then, take it easy.